going to do cycle wash.
Yes guys, today we are going to wash cycles. So things what we need for washing cycle is bucket, water, petrol, mug, soap, then brush, 2 brushes. You can choose what brush. 1 spray bottle, 2 cloths, 1 wet cloth and 1 dry cloth for last.
ज़्यादा मत दबाना नहीं निकल जाएगा.
Enough.
The cycle is wet. Now we are going to put soap on the cycle.
Not like soap, we are going to clean on the edges of the cycle where cloth can't go. So first we are going to spray little bit soap water on the shock absorbers. Just scrub it like this. Over there. Now we are going to wash little bit. We are going to put little bit on the desk. Now little bit over here.
Guys, now we clean the edges. Now we'll go to the main body.
Yes guys, now we are going to the main body. The body of the cycle, let's spray little bit liquid. Now guys, time to wash the rims. Guys, now washing rims are done. It's time to turn the cycle now. Let's turn the cycle. We turned it. Now we're going to wash all the tires now. Let's wash all the tires. Same process over here. One person has to pedal and we just hold this. Now let's wash the front tire. Rub it front. You have to scrub the tire very hard, all the dirt should go. No, same process instead of now when you are turning your cycle, you can wash these parts of your cycle. Guys, when you're washing your frames of your cycle and all, use a soft brush so your frame doesn't get spoiled. All down parts you can wash it now. This washing of the tire is done. Spin it fast, spin it. Spokes. All this chain and all you can clean it now. One minute. Wait. Slowly spin this. You can clean all of this dirt which is there. Just spray on your pedals. Clean your pedals also.
And guys, clean the spokes also, as you can see over here.
Now clean the spokes of your tire like this. Now again, one person has to pedal the cycle. This makes it a big foam. So your tires become proper. Same process with the spokes also.
And the chain also.
Now you have this part under your suspension. You can just spray over here and wash that part also using a brush. All this here area you can wash it fast. Now it's time to turn the tire, turn the cycle. Spray water on the tire cycle now. Just hold it nicely. All the casket, everything you can spray it properly, even in the edge and all you can spray it properly.
Guys, you can use a pipe and bucket also, guys. If you all have pipe, you can use pipe.
Yes guys, with pipe it becomes faster. Now let's wash the body of it. All down part. Anshul, pressure, make it loss. Anshul, make the pressure release. Now we are going to spray a lot of water in the spray like on the disc. Slow. That side. We have to make the water slow because we are going to spray on the disc and all. Yeah, now we have to spray it on the disc. Inside this you can clean all your disc and all. Just spray a little bit water on the disc and the gear, handle, tires. Where Anshul is like spraying water on the gear, on the chain, someone just hold a cycle like this and then Anshul hold the cycle. And then just turn, put water. Cycle with a dry cloth. So just take it, wipe it with a dry cloth. Wipe every part wherever you find water, otherwise it has chances to rust. Wipe your grips, wipe the gear. Be washing, we are going to give it a smooth texture on the chain. Alright, hold the cycle like this. So now we have to hold this and then just clean this like this. Now little bit diesel again you have to put in the cap. Now let's dip this and then clean the cassette. Cassette is clean now. Now like again put little bit diesel and then let's clean the front cassette so it doesn't get rusted. We have finished cleaning our cycles. We had put diesel in the grease. Now the cycle is very smooth. As you can see now, comparing to the before one, now the cycle is very clean and we made it dry. Everything is clean of the cycle. As you can see, the suspensions are clean. Okay, I forgot to tell you something. After you clean your cycle, just bounce the suspension so nothing like all water comes out, and just apply diesel or grease over there so it becomes more smoother. Just remove water like this, do 3-4 bounce, use a cloth and clean this, then put grease or diesel in it. And people whoever has liked the video,
Please like, subscribe, share and comment. And please press the notification button.
It's caught in the crossfire.